Hi everybody, John Seibel here. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the cold tub. It has become something that is very popular here at Universal Athletic Club, and we are surprised and shocked with the amount of people that are using it. Unfortunately, that does cause some problems that we're continuing to try to work through. One of them is the temperature. Unfortunately, this cold tub is not designed to be able to handle the amount of people that have been using it. So we're trying to figure out some solutions for that are also going to be able to take care of the pool code and things like that. So we appreciate your patience. One thing we are going to establish is that every Friday night at 9 o'clock and every Monday night at 9 o'clock, the cold tub is going to be changed. The water is going to be changed. We'll clean things out to make sure it's nice and clean for you. Unfortunately, this time of year in the summertime, the water coming out of the tap is around 70 to 72 degrees. So that cold tub will take some time to make sure the water temperature gets down nice and low. So you do have to be aware that if you come in on Saturday morning or on Tuesday morning, there's a chance it might not be down to that 45 to 55 degrees that you may be accustomed to. So we, again, appreciate your patience. We're going to try to work out some things to see if we can make that a little bit better. Something else we do want to continue to ask your cooperation with is that you please shower before you get in the cold tub. And also, it is incredibly important to wear pool clothing when you're getting in the cold tub. Something like swimming trunks or a bathing suit, t-shirts, regular shorts, workout shorts, any kind of yoga pants, those type of things. They are providing the cold tub with a lot of lint that continues to clog the filters, which also inhibits the pool's ability to make the water cold. So we ask that you continue to give us a hand in trying to make those things happen. And again, we appreciate your patience and thank you for using the cold tub. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.